What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another Ruckus episode. And hopefully in today's video, I should have the whole front end complete. Like the brake line on, the lever, the switches, the grips, of course. Fuel tanking. Like, I'm just gonna go to town on this bike tonight. It's like 8 o'clock right now, and I'm gonna finish around like 12. Do a 4-hour work on the bike, and we want to see how far we can get done. So I'm gonna try to keep this video like the last one, just more cinematography shots and stuff like that of me actually like just working on the bike and not talking, because I don't get a lot of stuff done when I talk. So let's get to work. I can't do anything else on the handlebar side of things because I threw away my grip that was on the driver's side, and that has like a throttle tube. I think that's what it's called, and I need that, and I don't have it, so I have to wait until that comes in the mail. So what I'm gonna do now is finish up the wiring on the front end of the harness, try to tuck it the best that I can. Then work my way down to the fuel stuff and then work my way back. I want some mango habanero extra wet all flats from B-Dubs. So if you're watching this video, thanks. Pretty much just put the fuel tank on yesterday. Now I'm gonna shave down the gas cap to put the gas thing on. This video is gonna be like a continuous video of basically getting everything ready for its first start. So if I start off each clip saying, well, so it's the next day or something like that, yeah, this video is gonna be a continuation of like everything I do to the Ruckus to get it to first start. So yeah. So this video has been going on for quite too long, and it's still going on because today I received my throttle tube from the Ruck Shop. Shout out to Ryan for having it in stock. It's an OEM throttle tube, so I don't do like no other hard wiring with the aftermarket one. So we're gonna basically get the handlebar stuff situated all today, and then the front end should be good. All I have to do is wait for my battery box. All I have to do is wait for my headlight bracket to come back from paint. Then I can slap on the battery boxes and put the whole headlight front end stuff assembled. And then from there, I have to just attach some coolant lines, but I ran into a problem with my coolant reservoir. I have nowhere to mount it because I shaved off the mounting tab for this right here, and it's kind of like doinky since I have everything else like all fresh and everything. So, but luckily the Ruck Shop do have like a dope coolant reservoir thing that they have. I'll place a picture on the screen, or maybe I won't. I just leave it down in the description box below, trying to make editing easier. That being said, let's start on the handlebar crap. And I'm still waiting on the throttle body for the Integra so I can make some more Integra content. So I've been trying to put on this throttle tube. Well, I got a tube on. I've been trying to do the switch stuff like with the throttle cable. Let me just show you. This is what I've been trying to do is get all this stuff situated, and I drilled a hole because you have to. So this little thing right here can sit flush in there so you can close the gaps. Long story short, I'm fed up and I just want to throw this whole bike in the garbage because I don't know what I'm doing. So it's been like 2 weeks later. Shout out to my man Jose for actually helping me with this. He know who he is. I'll leave a thing. You want to see his Ruckus? I'll leave his Instagram link right here. And he came through and helped me big time with that because I was getting hella confused. But everything is situated. All I have to do right now is go get gas. My coolant and everything that I sent out to the Ruck Shop comes back tomorrow. So my seat, the whole bike is basically done. Tomorrow, the Ruckus will be completed. Like, well, I still gotta paint this and stuff like that, which I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly pick up the paint. Just gonna paint it yellow. And I got my paint actually from my painter, my dog Hector. He sent me some paint so I can touch up the frame right here that I messed up. Let's see if I can focus it. Yeah, I messed that up right there doing this stuff. So yeah, got some touch-up paint for that. But right now I'm gonna head out and get some gas. So let's get this gas and get this first start going and close out this video. Alright, so the gas is in. I pressure washed the garage because there was gas leaking from that gas container I had earlier. And I had that gas container in my mom's car, so rip mom. But let's get to business. All I gotta do is just turn this over a couple of times so I can get some fuel in that bad boy. See that? Look at that. Getting fluid in the full bowl. How about we take it outside and see if it'll crank? Well, hopefully it can. Hopefully. Hey, we back in business. But this is kind of loose, so it's kind of rubbing on us. I'm gonna turn the bike off right now. But at least it got that first start up. Oh man, first start, baby. I mean, it took a minute, but we got it to start. We got it to start, dog. I'm sprung, dogs, you got me. So nice. Woo! So got the bike to start today. That is awesome. It took me like a week to get everything ready, and I was slacking with the car. But here we have an almost ready to go Ruckus. Oh god, I can't wait to put the seat on. The seat comes tomorrow. The battery box comes tomorrow. And I'm gonna just do everything. Bro, the bike will be done in like 2 days tops. Cause tomorrow I gotta paint some stuff. I have to mount this valve to the actual carburetor itself. But for the most part, it's ready to go. So the other day, I rode my first ever 150cc, well, GY6 swapped Ruckus. And when I get bored of the 50cc, GY6 swap incoming. But I'm gonna try my best to get the 50cc to go like 55 plus. Like that is the goal out there. Like instead of, you know, spending that $400 to get a GY6, maybe you could spend like, you know, I don't know, $100 tuning wise related to get your 50cc to reach GY6 speeds, unless you do the 171 big bore kit and all the other crap. But I'm going to try my best to have the GET motor have some respect on its name. You know what I'm saying? Now all I gotta do now is get some more coolant and I should be golden. But we goods to go, boys. Baby, that is the Ruckus. That's gonna do it for this video. We should have been longer, but tomorrow when I get all the parts in, that's when I'll do like the big reveal type thing. Not reveal because, well, it's already revealed. I just do the battery box cover, the seat stuff, and basically take my first ride on it hopefully tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will catch you guys in the next one, and I promise, bro, I promise, daily uploads are coming. I already got a video after this to be edited and uploaded, so hopefully daily uploads are coming. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out! Peace! Out!